Every parent knows this moment. You're speaking, but it's like your child's in another world. A world of screens, endless notifications, and zero eye contact. Today, I'll show you an AI parenting tool for Gen Z that's quietly changing families. A custom GPT called Gen Z Parenting Coach. Gen Z is brilliant, creative, and emotional, but they're drowning in information. Parents are running out of patience and options. Meet Sarah, a single mom from Ohio, and her 15-year-old son, Ethan. He once filled sketchbooks with superheroes. Now his pencils gather dust beside his charger. One night she said, "I feel like I lost my son to the phone I bought him." That's not drama. That's the new reality for millions of parents. Teens scroll through highlight reels while their own lives feel smaller. They're not lazy. They're overstimulated, anxious, and tired. And parents are guessing their way through a digital maze. This gap isn't rebellion, it's misunderstanding. And that's why I built something for parents like Sarah. You're watching this on EverydayAI, where we turn artificial intelligence into real-life help for education, creativity, and yes, parenting too. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss the next tool that can make life simpler and calmer. I created the Gen Z Parenting Coach, a custom AI designed to help parents understand, communicate, and reconnect with their Gen Z kids. Ask it anything, from "Why is my teen always angry?" to "How do I reduce screen time without drama?" And it returns clear, research-based guidance you can apply right away. To use it, you'll need ChatGPT Plus, since Custom GPTs live there. It's a small investment for something that can completely change the energy in your home. And for Sarah, it did. Let me show you how it helped Sarah with 3 scenarios. Let's begin with anger. Every conversation ended with a shout and a slammed door. She typed, "How do I handle my teen's anger without yelling back?" The coach explained that teen anger often triggers parent anger through tone and defensiveness. Your goal is to de-escalate by modeling calm control, not dominance. It recommended a pause, then calm phrases like, "I'll talk when we're both calmer," or "Try that again respectfully, then I'll respond." It suggests what to do and how to react in this kind of situations. It also suggested to build boundaries and consequences, and solutions on what to do if it further escalates, like stay nearby, remove dangerous items, and contact emergency services. That night, Ethan didn't storm off. He listened. Our brain shuts down when we are angry, and we often forget that this small, tiny gestures could work really well. Not every argument has to end badly. Patience worked where punishment never did. Then came the screen battle. Sarah had tried rules, warnings, even confiscation. It always ended in tears. She asked, "My son spends 8 hours a day online. How do I fix this without a fight?" The AI suggested co-creating boundaries, making rules together so he felt ownership. They set daily limits and added a weekend reward for sticking to them. Once Ethan helped build the rules, he stopped breaking them. Finally, the silence. No anger, just distance. Ethan looked exhausted and lost. Sarah typed, "My teen seems anxious and quiet. How can I help without pushing?" The coach offered a different approach, to create emotional safety first, not force conversation, and use safe language like, "Hey, I've noticed you seem quieter lately. You don't have to talk right now, but I'm here when you want to." That one line opened a door. Ethan admitted he felt left out at school. They talked for an hour. No shouting, just understanding. One honest conversation can reset a relationship. Within weeks, Sarah noticed peace. Less yelling, more laughter. Ethan started drawing again. She told me, "I feel like I finally got my son back." That's what the Gen Z parenting coach is really about. Not control, but connection. In a world full of noise, this helps families hear each other again. Last week, Sarah sent me a note. "For the first time, I feel confident as a parent. Not because I control Ethan, but because I understand him." That's the moment every parent deserves. And before we end, a quick reminder. This AI is a tool, a helper, not a replacement. It's here to support you with insight and clarity, but real healing and growth come from you, your child, and when needed, professional help. Use it as a guide to stay calm and curious, not as a substitute for love and presence. If you're a parent, teacher, or guardian raising Gen Z, try the Gen Z Parenting Coach today. Ask your questions, get real answers, and bring calm back home. Because the next generation doesn't need perfect parents, just present ones. Link in the description. Explore it, share it, and help another family find peace in the digital age.